Welcome to the Mueller Electric Close-Up Clips, where you'll get concise, focused insights into the key features, benefits, and applications of our products. Introducing Mueller Electric's Mueller Blue-Flex, cable flexibility beyond today's standards, an ultra, highly flexible cable for continuous movement, allowing for machinery and robots to work with the ultimate capability of twisting, bending, and pulling. Mueller Blue-Flex is made of silicone for ultra-flexing without binding or coiling. Mueller Blue-Flex operates at high temperature settings of 150 degrees Celsius, 302 degrees Fahrenheit. Our highly flexible cable is the choice in both drag chain and robotic applications, where mobility is important on your industrial floor. Mueller Blue-Flex, your total cable solution. Product specifications include: Mueller Blue-Flex torsion rating is 20 million cycles, and the flex rating is 20 million cycles. Bend radius static is greater than or equal to 4 times the outer diameter of the wire. Bend radius dynamic is greater than or equal to 8 times the outer diameter of the wire. Dielectric test 2000 VAC, no breakdown. Conductor resistance is 59.4 ohms per kilometer at 20 degrees Celsius max. Ultra-flexible silicone material. The voltage rating is 250 volts AC/DC, 150 degrees Celsius, 302 degrees Fahrenheit, to minus 40 degrees Celsius temperature range, FT2 flame test rating. M8 with 3, 4, and 5 conductors, M12 with 3, 4, 5, and 8 conductors. Mueller Blue-Flex connector configuration is male or female, with various orientations available in straight, right angle, and open end. Unshielded. All lengths available, A-coated, and 22 AWG. Mueller Blue-Flex instrumentation cable complies with IEC 61076-2-101. Industry 4.0. CE certified. Our cables are RoHS 3 and REACH compliant, and IP68 safety rated. Mueller Blue-Flex is for constant moving applications in power chains or machine assembly lines. You have to see it to believe it. Request your sample today and test on your equipment. Our Mueller Blue-Flex cables are made at our headquarters in Akron, Ohio, USA. In choosing Mueller Blue-Flex, you have a state-of-the-art cable delivering performance beyond today's standards and flexibility, high temperature capabilities, and applications such as drag chain and robotics. This makes them a great option for original equipment manufacturers and electronic distribution partners. When you partner with Mueller Electric, you can count on durable, reliable, and accurate products every time. Discover more solutions from Mueller Electric by scanning the QR code or visiting our website at muellerelectric.com. Thank you for watching.